Hello everyone and welcome to this first FlippedNormals Masterclass. My name is Emil Sliegers. I am a senior 3D artist with 8 years of professional experience within the game industry. Having worked as a prop and material artist on games like Forza Horizon 3 at Playground Games and The Division 2 at Ubisoft. I'm incredibly excited to present the first FlippedNormals Masterclass, where we will be creating a full AAA game weapon for advanced artists over 8 weeks. We will be using 3ds Max, ZBrush, Substance Painter, Photoshop and Masterclass Toolbag 4, showing you how a professional game artist works. Even though we are using 3ds Max, most of the techniques we'll learn are universal, meaning that you should be able to follow along in any other 3D program. We will start by going over our reference and planning. We'll then jump right in and start by creating our low poly model. I will then show you a very nice trick on how to quickly convert your low poly into a high poly model using creases and Dynamesh in ZBrush. Once we have finished all of our low poly and high poly models, we will continue on to our UV unmapping. I will show you how to properly create UVs and pack them in a way to make sure that you have correct textile density while still having enough resolution to create perfectly crisp textures later on. Once we are ready with this, we will start by setting up our models for baking, and then we will bake our models using Masterclass Toolbag 4. I will show you the correct techniques to bake your model quickly and cleanly without any visible seams or smoothing errors. Finally, we will move on to Substance Painter, where we will first be adding some extra non-map details to our texture, and then go over on how to create our base colors, and finally our extra dirt layers and other details in order to finalize our material. We will focus mostly on material response like the roughness and realistic dirt and damage buildup. While we are doing this, we will also slowly be building our final scene in Masterclass Toolbag 4. At the end, we will finish off by polishing our scene and textures to make them perfect. Now on top of all of this, I have also included some bonus chapters where I will show you how to also create some attachments for your weapon, like you can see in our renders. These are created using the exact same techniques and will really help push your rifle to the next level. With a grand total of 28 plus hours of content, this masterclass will help you push your game asset to the next level. Not just for weapons, but the techniques that I will cover can be used for any type of hard surface model. I hope that you are as excited for this course as I was when I got to hear that I get to make this. I hope to see you soon, and thanks again for watching this exclusive FlippedNormals Masterclass.